Before we continue, I want to thank the sponsor of this episode. This episode is brought to you by The Preserve here in Cayabo, Tanay. Kung naghahanap kayo ng legit na camping experience na malapit lang sa Metro Manila, definitely check this out. So, yan yung campsite namin. Over there, we have 3 tents. It's car camping, so yung kotse dyan lang nakaparada. And we have a gazebo here. And behind me here is where the river is. Then lang yung river sa kabila. Let's see. Puntahan natin. The sun is setting behind those mountains. Yung campsite namin nandun. Ayun yung campsites. And then, just beside it is the river. Look at this. Sobrang babaw lang ng tubig dito sa river. And the water is very clear. Pwede kang tumawid across the river itself. Dito sa The Preserve Tanay is about 1 hour and 45 minute drive from Metro Manila. I live in Manila mismo, so naabot kami ng mga almost 2 hours. It's now 5:45 PM and sunset na. Tapos tomorrow, abangan natin yung sunrise. And kung magka-camp kayo dito, you don't have to worry about CRs because look at this. They have very nice bathrooms here. Para ka nang nasa resort. Look at this. So they have shower areas here. Dalawa yung shower area. Shower room. Yeah, parang resort. On the other side are the toilets. It's very aesthetic. Ay. By the way, this is the first time we are doing camping. Malapit lang siya. If you want a day trip or a weekend trip ng chill night camping, punta kayo dito sa The Preserve at Tanay, Rizal. Sobrang ganda ng place. Ang tahimik lang niya, ang chill lang niya. And right beside the camping ground, nandun yung river. It's a very calm river. Ang sarap magbaba dun sa tubig. Tapos it's very picturesque. It's very Instagrammable. Ang ganda ng surroundings. It's a very nice nature trip away from Metro Manila. If you want a quick getaway from Metro Manila, go here. Check out their Instagram page and their Facebook page. I will link a live. I will link a live. Check out their Facebook page and their Instagram page. I will leave a link down below. Pag may bear na dumating, wake us up, gisingin mo kami, okay? Ha? May bears ba dito? We have a friend here. So, this dog, paikot-ikot lang siya dito kanina pa sa around our camp area. Hi. I don't know who he is. I don't know kung anong pangalan niya, but he's friendly. Good morning. It's 6 a.m. and it's very refreshing to wake up to the sounds of the river. Tignan natin yung ilog. Look at this. There's a fog creeping down the side of the mountain pababa din sa ilog. That's nice. Those are clouds or fogs. Yung mga baba sa river. Pangit ang buhok ko. Anong gusto niyong kape? Colombia, Cuba, or Brazil? So pagkatapos natin mag-coffee stout kagabi, this morning, totoong kape naman.